Yes, I play drums, guitar, piano. So, kumakanta. It's required kasi when I entered showbiz, we eventually had to audition for a musical show. So, kinukuha nila yung marunong kumanta, sumayaw. Kante. Celebrity crush, siguro si Maha. Grabe kasi pag nakita mo personal, sobrang sexy. Then, my experience showbiz, okay naman siya. Kasi I auditioned for it. Tapos, during that time being, I joined a soap opera. So, parang yung soap ni-require niya yung taping 24 hours. So, we have to tape for like 5 a.m. to 5 a.m. 5 a.m. the van leaves ABS-CBN, comes back 5 a.m. the next day. So, I had to leave school. I left school for so, ayun, okay naman experience. Kasi sarap ng, iba talaga yung pakiramdam na sarili mong pera, kita, tapos mararamdaman mo rin kung paano pagtrabuhan yung sarili mong pera. But eventually, na-realize ko, iba talaga yung studies, iba talaga yung nakatapos ng pag-aaral. Kasi saan yung bagsak mo if ever hindi ka magtagumpay, di ba? When I'm awfully low and the world is cold, I will feel the glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight. I am Aaron Odea and I'm proud to be blue-blooded.